Welcome to our video on understanding the role of immigration lawyers in Australian visa applications. Immigration lawyers are legal professionals who specialize in immigration law, helping individuals navigate the complex visa application process. Australia offers various visa categories, including student visas, work visas, family reunion visas, and tourist visas. Each category comes with its own set of complexities and requirements that must be met. Immigration lawyers play a critical role in helping clients navigate the intricacies of the immigration process, advising on the best visa options based on individual circumstances. One of the first steps immigration lawyers take is assessing their client's eligibility for various visa types, ensuring that all qualifications are met and that there are no red flags. Accurate documentation is vital for a successful visa application. Immigration lawyers ensure that all necessary documents are prepared, complete, and compliant with immigration regulations. In addition to document preparation, immigration lawyers provide essential legal advice regarding immigration laws and policies, helping clients make informed decisions. Immigration lawyers also represent clients in dealings with immigration authorities, advocating for their interests and ensuring their voices are heard. Visa applications can encounter various challenges, from missing documents to misunderstandings with authorities. Immigration lawyers help clients navigate these obstacles with expertise. Let's look at some successful case studies where immigration lawyers made a significant difference in clients' visa applications, showcasing their expertise and commitment. In conclusion, immigration lawyers provide invaluable assistance throughout the visa application process, making it smoother and increasing the chances of success. Their expertise is essential for anyone looking to immigrate to Australia.